What is a metaphor? A metaphor is a common figure of speech that refers an object, idea, or action to another thing to help make a comparison or suggest that they are similar. For example, drowning in money. Metaphors add imagery, color, symbolism, or humor to language to make comparisons, objects, and ideas more memorable. They are commonly used in poetry, literature, songs, and movies to represent abstract concepts. Readers can identify a metaphor when a writer applies a word or phrase to something figuratively instead of using the literal meaning. Some examples of metaphors are: you're a couch potato. You have a heart of gold. You are a black sheep. A metaphor's form has two parts, the tenor and the vehicle. In the metaphor, life is a roller coaster, the tenor is life, and the vehicle is roller coaster. Here are several common examples of metaphors. Time is money, fit as a fiddle, and light of my life are all metaphors. In literature, there are different types of metaphors to show symbolism: standard, implied, visual, extended, mixed, and dead. Standard metaphors directly state the two objects being compared. Implied metaphors do not include a tenor, making the comparison indirect, implying the connection. Visual metaphors are metaphors portrayed through visual means, such as art or commercials. Extended metaphors are metaphors that persist throughout the entire work, made with many different connections. Mixed metaphors are metaphors that combine two unlike objects that don't make sense together. And a dead metaphor is a metaphor that is outdated, in the sense that one of the objects no longer functions the way it did when the metaphor originated. A simile is a metaphor that uses the word like or as. These identifying words allow writers to make their comparisons much more obvious. However, a metaphor's direct comparison is often considered more powerful. In this example, the simile suggests that the players have the qualities of fireworks, while the metaphor emphasizes that the players are fireworks, creating a much stronger connection.